Alright, you guys, so we are working with a, let's see, I washed my hair Saturday. We're working with a 2-day wash and go. I washed my hair Saturday and I pretty much stretched it Saturday night, Sunday night, and this is what we have. So I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my wash and goes, as well as how I band my hair, like my night routine when I am rocking a wash and go or whatever. I like to band my hair. Y'all, why am I out of breath? Like, girl, get it together. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it, y'all. It's super simple. My edges are starting to flake, but whatever. I like to section my hair off into 4 sections. I'm not trying to get my hair like drenched, soaking wet. I'm just trying to bring some definition back into my hair, because each day as I band my hair, I stretch it and stretch it out longer and longer, and I tend to lose the definition. And I love the, I mean, there's some there, but you'll see, like, it's mostly in the back. Like, the front of my hair tends to fluff up, and it was pretty humid. Okay, so starting with this back section, I just have some warm water in the bottle, and then I'm using the Cream of Nature Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. If you have not seen my video, my wash and go video using this product, I will link this video. I'll add it in a card up top, so definitely click that card if you have not seen it. But I'm just using this product. This is what I did my wash and go with on Saturday, as well as warm water. And I just put the product on a paper plate because I like to just grab and go. I can't keep like squeezing this out. The bottle is really hard to work with, honestly. But yeah, I just got a little bit on the plate. So I'm just going to be spritzing my hair with water, just to bring some moisture back into the hair. We are not trying to drench the hair at all, but I can already feel like the moisture coming back into my hair, and I can also see the curls are beginning to pop. Okay, they was a little thirsty. Let's see, I'm gonna do a little bit there just to get a little bit of root. I don't really want my roots wet. So as you can see, y'all, like, my curls are already just bouncing back just by spraying water on them. So if you don't want to add products, you don't have to. You could just literally, I've seen this, you can literally just add water to just reactivate the product that's already in your hair. But I'm going to take it a step further. I'm just take a little bit of that curling cream, and we're just going to apply that to the section. And I'm really shocked that my hair is still kind of sort of detangled, because my hair, I gave myself a nice little trim, and my hair don't really cooperate. So that is one section, and it's so simple, y'all. Like, it's super simple. And I'm gonna
fighter.
Flaky inspired. Fight. You win.
Choose your fighter.
Flaky inspired. Fight.
After we've just sprayed just a little bit of water and add that curling cream, y'all, when I say, oh, I should have my little towel, but when I say this curling cream is the truth, she's the truth. Okay, of all the things that I've tried, which ain't many, but I don't know, it's just something about that product. It works with my hair. It works. So just for video purposes, to jazz it up a little bit, I'm going to be going in with the 24-hour itch tamer, EBIN gel, well, itch control. I like to just apply it to the front of my hair. Yeah, so this is what we looking like. All right, so now that we are all refreshed, I am going to be banding my hair, preparing for bed. So I'm just going to be using all sorts of little bands, hair bows, things, hair ties. So I am actually going to be using these hair ties, and I also have like these little small kitty hair ties in my little hair basket that I'm going to be using as well. So again, I like to section my hair off into 4 sections.
Choose your fighter.
I'm going to start off using, I have like a couple of the black hair ties. I have 6 of them, and I like to start off here. And y'all, I do the best that I can. Some people can like really band their hair to the T. I'm not one of those people. I do what I can. The results come out real nice, so I guess I'm doing it right. I'm gonna put 2 on each. No, I can't do that. We'll see. I'll put the colorful ones, and I try to get them as close as possible, y'all. Honestly, it don't always work out that way. I try to get them like as close band as possible, but yeah. So I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna put 1 on each in the back. I feel like my hair in the back is shorter than my hair in the front. It could be shrinkage, but that's just how I feel. And it's all in trial and error. Like, I'm still learning how to band my hair, because like I said, some people can just like, I mean, it'll be bang 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 bang. Girl, no, not me. So now I'm taking the colorful ones, and I got a good bit of those, so I'm gonna try to band these as closely to the bottom without getting too far to the bottom. So just probably about that much, because I still want the curls there. Now I gotta match up colors. Dear God, help me, because girl. Okay. And I might just need 1 on this one. Maybe 2. Like so. So we are all banded, you guys. I do not do anything to my edges at night. I literally put on my headscarf and go to bed. It's a wrap. Like, this is it. This probably is like the most simplest tutorial I'll probably make, maybe. But anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why, but subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Hit that notification bell to see when I upload, you guys. And as always, I will see y'all in my next video.